Welcome to SSB Doubts. Understand the PPDT and TAT by examples. Example. Observe the picture
carefully. Pause the video and make your story.
High-level idea. Sita was a businesswoman working in the city. She was well known for her work in community service. Once she discovered that women in the poorer areas of the city faced trouble in making a reasonable income for their families. She thought of organizing them together so they could start a self-help group. She invited the women to her house and discussed her ideas with them. They formed a group and she invested some money from her business and took out a loan for the rest. With their continuous efforts, the group started earning more and the members were able to themselves and other poor families, as well as contributing to the economy of the city. Qualities demonstrated: good reasoning skills, difficult level of problem solving, responsible, and making appropriate decisions.
3-2. Average level idea. Sita was a teacher in a school. In her class she found that a girl was good at singing and wanted to make it her career. However, her parents wanted her to focus on her studies. Sita called the mother and spoke to her. Sita convinced the mother to allow her daughter to participate in the singing competition and it proved to be successful as the girl won the event. Everyone was happy with her success. Qualities demonstrated: social concern, average level of problem solving, responsible, determined, helping others.
Thanks, subscribe and keep watching for such videos. If you have any doubts regarding SSB interview,
then visit the playlist section.
Join us on other social platforms, link in bio.